The defendants were charged on 6 counts, including a joint count of conspiracy to commit the criminal offense of directly or indirectly influencing the procurement process to obtain unfair advantage in the award of a procurement. The accused persons, namely Sumaila Abdulrahman, the NDA CEO, and 2 of his deputies, Stephen Yeyuru and Patrick Seidu, and the CEO of A&Q's consortium, Andrew Kudari, all pleaded not guilty to the charges. The counsel for the defendants in their opening prayed the court for a bail. Even though the prosecution did not oppose the bail, she prayed the court to seize the passports of the accused persons. However, the first accused, the CEO of NDA, has been barred from traveling outside Ghana until he produces his passport after 2 weeks. Secondly, the accused persons are to justify the bail conditions by providing documents covering landed properties worth 500,000 cedis each at the registry, with an undertaking that such properties are free from challenges. The counsel for the second and third accused spoke to the media after proceeding.
It was a very friendly atmosphere. The Special Prosecutor's office was represented by the deputy, and different lawyers represented the different clients. That's the 4 accused persons. So as you are very much aware, in open court, when the charges were read, there were 6 charges leveled against the 4 persons. And when the charges were read, all of them pleaded not guilty. And so everything has fallen in issue for trial to determine their guilt or otherwise. Now, having read the charges and having pleaded not guilty, and again the facts having been read, the court gave us the opportunity to make a submission for bail, which the lawyers agreed I should do so on their behalf, and I did. And the court duly granted them bail. The bail was not opposed by the Office of Special Prosecutor, and you are aware that they granted them bail, each of them 500,000 Ghana cedis, 3 sureties to justify, and then they should deposit their passports. The case has been adjourned to 28th for case management, and thereafter the judge says that every week we're going to have 3 days of hearing for an expeditious trial so that we can determine the issues effectively. I think that is the best thing that he has actually stated. That's what all of us are looking for. You know, the accused persons are going to be living with this, you know, either at their websites or at home, that they are every day they are thinking about going to court and etc. And so if there's an expeditious determination to establish either their guilt or innocence, then the matter is effectively determined, and then everybody can go their way. So that is why I agree absolutely with the trial judge that there's a need for an expeditious trial on the matter.
The criminal prosecution of the 4 follows a directive by the Office of the Special Prosecutor after an investigation was conducted into suspected corruption and corruption-related offenses at the Northern Development Authority. This was in relation to a contract awarded to a consultancy company, A&Q Consortiums, under the Infrastructure for Poverty Eradication Program. The complaint, which was filed by a private legal practitioner, Martin Pebu, accused the Chief Executive Officer of NDA, Sumaila Abdulrahman, and 2 of his deputies of procurement breaches. The report by the OSP revealed that the actions of the 4 directly and indirectly influenced the procurement breaches. The report added that the initial contract sum of 5,720,000 cedis was illegally increased by 4,680,000 cedis, amounting to a total of 10,400,000 cedis without following the due process. Court has adjourned the case to February 28 for case management to commence. From Tamale, I am Dinah Ungwan for Citi News.